Hello guys, this is Teacher Sam and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we are going to talk about the variance and standard deviation of a discrete random variable. Are you ready, class? Okay, let's go! Before we compute the variance and standard deviation of a discrete random variable, let us first define the standard deviation and variance. The variance and standard deviation are two values that describe how scattered or spread out the scores are from the mean value of a random variable. The variance is denoted as in this symbol, and this symbol is what we call sigma. Therefore, the variance is denoted as sigma squared. We can obtain the variance of a discrete random variable by getting the summation of the quantity x minus mean squared times p of x. This symbol is the mean, while p of x is the corresponding probability, while standard deviation is the square root of the variance. As you can observe, the difference between the symbol in finding the variance and standard deviation. And we can obtain the standard deviation by getting the square root of the summation of x minus mean squared times p of x, or simply the square root of the variance, or sigma squared. To deepen our understanding on the process on how to get the variance and standard deviation of a discrete random variable, let us consider this example. Determine the variance and standard deviation of the discrete random variable x with the following probabilities. Given the values of x, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And their corresponding probabilities, we have 0.15, 0.25, 0.30, 0.15, 0.10, and 0.05. For us to solve the variance, let us first obtain the mean of our discrete random variable. That is, by getting the summation of x times p of x. However, of course, we need another column to solve for the product of x p of x. That is, x times p of x. First one, we have the first value of x is 1 times 0.15 is equal to 0.15. 2 times 0.25 is equal to 0.50. 3 times 0.30 is equal to 0.90. And then 4 times 0.15 is equal to 0.60. 5 times 0.10 is equal to 0.50. And last, we have 6 times 0.05 is equal to 0.30. And how are we going to solve now the mean of these values? That is, by getting the sum of all the results. We have 0.15 plus 0.50 plus 0.90 plus 0.60 plus 0.50 plus 0.30, and we can have the result as 2.95. Therefore, the mean value of our discrete random variable is equal to 2. And in that case, we are now ready to solve the variance by, of course, solving each element present in the formula. First one, we have that x minus mean. This is the reason why we are going to solve first the mean of the discrete random variable. So we have the 2.95. So first we have 1 minus 2.95 is equal to negative 1.95. 2 minus 2.95 is negative 0.95. 3 minus 2.95 is equal to 0.05. 4 minus 2.95 is 1.05. Next, we have 5 minus 2.95 is equal to 2.05. And last, 6 minus 2.95 is equal to 3.05. And to solve again the next element in the formula, that is getting the square of these values. So first, we have the square of negative 1.95 is equal to 3.8025. Next, the square of negative 0.95 is equal to 0.9025. Next, the square of 0.05 is equal to 0.0025. Then, the square of 1.05 is equal to 1.1025. Next, the square of 2.05 is equal to 4.2025. Then next, the square of our 3.05 is equal to 9.3025. And we are done with our sum elements in our given formula in finding the variance. The next, we are now ready to solve all the elements, getting the product of our p of x and the previous result. So we have p of x times the quantity of x minus mean squared, or the quantity of x minus mean squared times p of x. So first, we have 0.15 times 3.8025 is equal to 0.570375. Next, 0.25 times 0.9025 is equal to 0.225625. Next, 0.30 times 0.025 or 0.025 is equal to 0.00075. And then 0.15 times 1.1025 is equal to 0.165375. And then 0.10 times 4.2025 is equal to 0.420250. And last, we have 0.05 times 9.3025 is equal to 0.465125. And there we have it. Of course, we are now ready to solve for the variance of this discrete random variable. So we have var of x, or the same as the square of sigma, is equal to the summation of the results. So we are going to add the following results. And of course, you will give an answer of 1.8475, or approximately the variance of this discrete random variable is equal to 1.85. And in that case, we can now solve the standard deviation of the discrete random variable. That is the square root of the variance, or simply the square root of 1.8475 from the result of the variance, or the given variance. And that is equal to 1.359227, approximately 1.36. And again, our variance is equal to 1.85, and our standard deviation is 1.36. Okay guys, I hope you learned something today. Once again, I am Teacher Sam, and let's make mathematics awesome. Goodbye everyone. Please do not forget to like, share, follow more video tutorials. Goodbye class.